Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 5 of the 10-day Art and Gratitude Journal Challenge. This challenge was inspired by my dear friend Allison. She created several gratitude journals that were totally inspirational. We created a book in her honor with some of her beautiful pages from her gratitude journal. You can learn more about Allison and her journey in the description below the video. This is my gratitude journal that I created in her honor with lots of unexpected inspiration. I'll also link up where you can purchase this 8x8-inch sketchbook. I just love the square size. And without further ado, let's get into today's challenge.
Today we're making a batik style painting that you can glue inside your art journal. This is a project I did when I was teaching with Allison at La Palette Art School. You're going to use computer paper or a lightweight art paper, and we are going to draw whatever shape you want using crayons. The idea behind this project is you want to fill in the whole paper with a decent layer of crayon. So we'll go ahead and color in the areas. For example, for the fin, I'm outlining it with an orange color, and then I'm going to blend in some other shades of crayons inside to make it a little more interesting. You can make this as simple or as complicated as you like, and you can do a smaller one if you prefer to go inside your art journal. It doesn't have to be super elaborate. You could also print out a coloring page or photocopy a picture from a coloring book. We're going to keep going with this. I'm adding some seaweed. I'm just free-forming it. It's a fun project to do with an underwater scene, but really the sky is the limit for this project. And we want to make our shapes, fill in all of our areas with the shapes, and then color them in with a decent amount of crayon. We're going to go in and fill in the seaweed and keep going until the entire page is full. You may want to do this smaller if you find it a little bit hard on your hands doing so much coloring. But you'll see that you really need the waxy crayon to get that relief technique with the batik. So once it's done, we're going to squish the paper, just squeeze it in. We want to get lots of creases in the paper. So just bring it in, squeeze it in. Make sure your paper is decent enough quality that it won't rip. And then we'll open it up because we want it to be pretty flat. So we're going to open it right up. Press it a bit, and you can put it upside down on another paper and rub it on the back to get it a little bit more flat. Rub it out with your hands, the flat of your hand, to get it a little more flat, but we don't want to take the creases out. We just want it a little more flat. And now I'm going to go in with some ink. This is a water-based ink. We're going to go ahead and brush it onto our picture. And we'll just do a nice layer. So you want to make sure you do have a waxy surface because we don't want it to sink right into the whole paper. And then we're going to brush off the extra. I could have even done a thicker coat of crayon on this one. It's very experimental. It's a lot of trial and error. And this is a sample of doing it with the acrylic paint. That works quite well too. It's a little more subtle. So this one is one that we did in the art school. I did a mandala style, and this is more like a coloring book style. As always, the sky is the limit for this project.
Thanks so much for watching the video. You can share photos of your work from this challenge in my private Facebook group. I'm going to link that up below. Thank you so much to my dear friend Allison for inspiring this challenge. Have fun with the challenges, and we'll see you the next time. And always remember that art is never a waste of time.